Hello YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In today's video, we will be creating a voice chatbot. We will create an application which will listen to our audio, understand our question, find the relevant answer, and respond back to us in voice. Before we go into the code samples, we will understand the basic concepts and the models we will be using today. First up is OpenAI's Whisper model. OpenAI's Whisper model is a deep learning-based automatic speech recognition ASR system designed to transcribe and translate spoken language from audio files. The model is highly versatile, trained on a diverse dataset to handle a variety of languages and accents effectively. Whisper is particularly noted for its robust performance across different audio conditions, making it useful in real-world applications where audio quality and background noise can vary significantly. This model facilitates the development of applications involving speech-to-text conversion, making it a valuable tool for content accessibility, language translation, and user interaction enhancements. Next up is OpenAI's GPT model. We should all be familiar with it. OpenAI's GPT generative pre-trained transformer models are a series of language processing AI designed to generate human-like text based on the input they receive. These models are trained on a diverse range of internet text and are capable of various tasks such as answering questions, writing essays, summarizing documents, translating languages, and more, depending on the training and specific version of the model. Finally, OpenAI's TTS model. OpenAI's text-to-speech TTS model is designed to convert written text into spoken audio, producing natural and human-like voice outputs. Utilizing advanced machine learning techniques, the model is capable of generating speech that captures the nuances of human expression, including intonation and emotion. This TTS model supports multiple languages and dialects, allowing for broad application across different regions and contexts. The technology is particularly useful for applications in accessibility, entertainment, customer service, and educational tools, where clear and expressive voice synthesis can enhance user experiences. To leverage this model, developers can integrate it into their applications through OpenAI's API, ensuring ease of use and accessibility for incorporating sophisticated voice synthesis capabilities. In fact, my voice is TTS generated. I'm a TTS voice explaining TTS. Let us see the architecture and design of our voice chatbot. First, we will get audio input from the user's microphone. Next, we will convert audio to text using Whisper model. We will then prompt the OpenAI GPT model about the user's question. We will get LLM response from GPT Turbo. After then, we will convert the LLM response to audio using TTS model. Finally, the user will hear the voice in his speakers. Let us do a code walkthrough. Steamlit is an open-source Python library that enables developers to create beautiful, interactive web applications quickly and with minimal coding. It is specifically designed for machine learning and data science teams to turn data scripts into shareable web apps. Steamlit simplifies the process of building custom web interfaces for data exploration and visualization, allowing developers to write an app with simple Python scripts and update the app in real time as the code changes. Let us look at the various functions. The function convert input audio to text takes an audio file as input. It then transcribes it into text using the Whisper model. The function get LLM response takes a text as input. It then prompts the GPT model with the user's questions. The GPT model responds with relevant information. The function convert LLM response to audio takes the LLM response text message as input. It converts the text response to audio. In the main function, we will invoke these functions in sequence. First, get the input audio from the computer microphone, then convert the input audio and then get LLM response. Finally, convert the LLM response to audio. So, to summarize, we created an application which listens to our audio, understands our question, finds the relevant answer, and then responds back to us in voice. This has numerous use cases. Let us see a demo of the app. We will run the app by running the below in command line terminal, Steamlit, run Steamlit audio app.py. It opens a browser window. We can click the mic button and record. We will ask the question, explain YouTube in one sentence. We can see it first converted input audio to text in few seconds. Then it got LLM response, and then finally converted LLM response to audio. We can click the play button to hear the response. Our voice chatbot has responded saying, YouTube is a video sharing platform. That is it, friends. We created an application which listens to our audio, understands our question, finds the relevant answer, and then responds back to us in voice. This has numerous use cases. Here are some of them. Customer service. Voice chatbots can handle customer inquiries, complaints, and FAQs, providing 24/7 support without human intervention. They can quickly access vast amounts of information to assist customers with troubleshooting, account management, or product details. E-commerce shopping assistants. These chatbots act as personal shopping assistants, helping customers find products, make recommendations based on preferences, manage cart items, and facilitate the checkout process, all through voice commands. Healthcare assistants. In healthcare settings, voice chatbots can help patients book appointments, remind them to take their medication, provide basic medical advice, and offer support for routine inquiries, thereby reducing the workload on medical staff. Accessibility enhancements. For individuals with visual impairments or motor impairments, voice chatbots enhance accessibility, enabling them to interact with devices and access information without needing to type or read a screen. Banking and financial services. Voice chatbots in banking can assist customers with checking account balances, scheduling payments, transferring money, and providing real-time financial advice securely. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning and algorithms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech talks and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.